It's 6 in the morning. Tapos na ako mag-ready. Tulog pa yung mga kids. Yung mali nasa taas. Yan, masama yung pakiramdam yan. Pero okay na siya. Gising ako ng madaling araw para bigyan siya ng gamot. Alright. Still asleep. Come here. Still sleeping?
Libya. Libya.
I'll give you water, okay? Oh, your milk.
Is it cold?
Not really. Because I put it there, but it's not really that cold. Atumila, sit up properly, Atumila. Atumila, sit up properly. I want to brush your hair. Hold this one. No, 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 no. Hello, beautiful latte. Yan, tapos na yung competition nila, Amelia at Olivia, and we're so happy. Ano sila, first place yung nakuha nila. Pupuntahan namin sila, hanapin namin yung mga kids. Ang galing ng mga bata. Hindi expect namin na magkakamali sila doon, pero no, hindi pala. Ang galing. Yay! First place. First time na mag-join yung mga kids, yung mga bata. Tapos naka first place sila. Very good. And kami ngayon sa campus. Wow, good job, love, love. Hey, whose food is this? Labiang, ang dada na eh. Uy, siguro. Hi, love, love. First place. May sakit pa yan si Amelia. Amelia is still sick, but she did a good job. Say hi, love, love.
Hello.
Say hi, Libya. Say something.
We were in ballet and we...
Did you have fun?
Yes. And we danced our...
Yeah.
And we danced.
Are you nervous, love, love?
Nope.
Oh, very good, huh? Are you nervous, Olivia? Ate Mila? Ate Mila, you were nervous, love, love? Olivia. Congratulations!
We won in first
First place! So what if you don't join next time?